Hey, yo, what it is, world. Chances are, if you have one of these Keurig coffee makers, one for home use and consumers, it probably doesn't work that well if you've been using it for long, or maybe it just doesn't work out of the box. I know this thing started malfunctioning like 3 days after we just opened it. So what happens when it doesn't work? Well, you press the button and no coffee comes down. Here, I'll film the whole thing. I'll just speed it up. Boom. So the cycle ended and no coffee. Well, how do we fix this? How do we get our coffee without breaking into it or sending it back for troubleshooting? I'll show you. What this requires is a little love tap. Not so hard that it breaks it, but firm enough so whatever's loose or whatever's not touching, touches. So I'll show you real quick. And you have to say the magic words. I want my coffee. Say it with me. I want my coffee. Can't say I want my coffee. No. You're trying to say this with zeal. You're trying to say this with conviction. Watch. Okay. So of course you gotta reset it. So it's blinking. Press the button. Like so. Coffee. Boom. There you go. Hey y'all, this is Keurig for the BatalaProject.com, and that's how you troubleshoot a Keurig coffee maker. Bang.